Hi, I'm Andrew from Lone Rider, and I'm going to show you how to install the new TallBag 9 and TallBag 4 tank bags from Lone Rider. When you receive the packet, you can open the box, and inside you'll receive the harness system. You will receive 4 zip ties, 1 steering column harness, and 2 frame straps. So the first thing to do is put everything aside. We want to install the steering column harness. So what you do is remove just one side. So we're going to remove one side here. So just untie the webbing keeper and remove one of the German Fidlock magnetic buckles. So essentially what you're doing is just opening it up so you can get it around the steering column. So let's install that on that steering column. So with the long steering column webbing, just wrap it around the whole steering column. The most important thing here is not to interfere with any of the cables, for example the braking system or the clutch system or anything else. Just make sure it steer clears of that. So the next step is we want to feed that back through the stabilizer, and then we're going to attach the buckles again. So just through the first hole and then back through the second hole. That's it. We can put the webbing keeper back on. And just tie it down for now. So the next step is to clip on the side buckle that's behind in here. What that does is just keep the whole system in place onto the steering column. Give that a tighten and push it as low as possible. The next step is to put the steering column stabilizer in the correct location. So we want the buckles to be about here, sitting about here on both sides. Pull them down and then either cut the webbing, or you can use the webbing keepers to tidy up all the webbing system. Like that. Okay, and that's essentially the harness system installed in the front. You can make fine adjustments and tighten it up as per your bike. So now let's install the frame webbing. So essentially it's 2 parts. This bottom part connects to the bike and the top part connects to your tank bag. On the frame, you want to find a nice place where it can connect to. Nice solid secure place where it can connect to, and then up to the tank bag. So let's just locate the tank bag quickly. So that's where you want it to be. That's where you want the tank bag to be. We want to connect the harness system roughly about here on this frame at the bottom here. So let's attach this with cable ties. So first feed the zip tie through the middle and the bottom, or wherever it fits best on your bike. Use as many as possible, but I'm going to use 1 for now to show you the attachment system. There's 2 other places where you can put zip ties through. So feed it through your frame, and then back into your bike and tighten it down. I can put another one here, but I'll do that after. Next step is just to remove the excess cable ties. Next step, so we want to take the other strap, the actual strap, and connect it to the frame connection point. And we want to feed it up, feed it through underneath the teeth. And seal it down. You can either cut this off and melt it with a lighter, or you could use the included webbing keeper if you want to save this for another bike. I'm just going to save it. So I'm going to roll this up and hide this wrap. And you can tighten that and to the length of the bike. So that's basically it. That's all you need to do. You just have to do the other side as well, and then you've got a very, very stable tank bag on top of your bike.